Centuries ago, the masters of Kannauj perfected a method of capturing the soul of a flower without using a single drop of alcohol. This is attar making, an ancient process called hydrodistillation. It begins in the early morning when thousands of fresh rose petals are loaded into a copper still known as the daig. To prevent any precious scent from escaping, the lid is sealed shut with a mixture of clay and cotton. This still is connected by a slender bamboo pipe, or chonga, to a receiver called the bhapka. Submerged in cool water and pre-filled with pure sandalwood oil, the bhapka acts as a natural condenser. As fire heats the flowers, fragrant steam travels through the bamboo and condenses directly into the oil base. Unlike modern perfumes, this isn't done just once. For up to 20 days, the same oil is distilled with fresh batches of flowers until it is fully saturated. The final essence is aged in leather bottles to allow moisture to evaporate, leaving behind a fragrance that actually grows richer with every passing decade.